Hey everyone, it's Rodney Freely here. So if you hate that kind of jump between local mode and the standard viewport, you can disable it. You need to go to the Edit Preferences Key Map, and under Key Bindings you need to search for the backslash, numpad backslash, and at your end you should see two of these 3D view section. You need to turn off frame selected, and if you want to work it all the time, you need to bind the key again with the backslash with both section, and after that you need to turn this off and it should work, but you should check with a restart, because it's not all the time, it's not working all the time. So that's how you turn this jump off between the local mode and the standard viewport.